Prometal del Pacífico. Today, one of the most important companies in the metalworking industry in northwestern Mexico. Located in the industrial park of Hermosillo, the capital of the state of Sonora, the company land has an area of 80,000 square meters, 13,000 of which are workshop and paint shop buildings. Its extensive facilities are equipped with modern machinery. On peak projects, manpower goes up to 250 people employed in the areas of material pre-processing, assembly, welding, finishing, and painting. With these human resources, its physical infrastructure and equipment, Prometal achieves an annual production of 4,000 tons of steel. With over 30 years of continuous activity, the fields in which the company has developed primarily consist of the manufacture of carbon steel and stainless steel equipment such as plate work, tanks, conveyors, structural towers, and any steel manufacturing that industrial plants of any kind require. To date, during this time of fruitful work, there are now many and varied projects that have been carried out. Staying current in technology and acquiring modern and efficient equipment to meet quality and time demands of our clients have always been the top priority of our company. To achieve this, every project starts in the design department. Here, engineering details are developed according to specifications of the original project that the client drawings and standards ask for. Once detailed drawings have been reviewed and approved by the client, we proceed to shop floor. As a first condition and rule, before processing any steel, we verify quality certification of all raw materials. Prometal del Pacífico has a total of 24 overhead cranes for in-building material handling. To provide fast and accurate processing for cutting plate steel, we employ 3 modern plasma cutting tables. Prometal owns the only Python X in the northwest of Mexico, an advanced CNC beam line that uses hypertherm plasma cutting torch on an ABB robot that has revolutionized the manufacture of structural steel around the world. On first stages of material processing, we also employ press brake and shear presses of different capacities, as well as plate rolling machines, screw machines, profile rolling machines, automatic saws, and ironworker machines. Once the material has been cut and drilled, the second stage of the manufacturing process begins, which consists of structural framework assembly. In this stage, the fitters review the drawings and assemble the structures, which pass to the next stage of the process, welding. At this crucial stage, the company has certified welders to implement the various welding processes, such as SMAW, TIG, MIG, flux core, and submerged arc. All welding processes are carried out according to the American Welding Society standards. Certified welding inspectors and quality control ensure we meet those standards. During our main 3 stages of fabrication, quality control is strict and within standards and procedures established by international codes. The goal? A top quality finished product. If required or requested by the client, a third party performs non-destructive tests such as liquid penetrant, ultrasound, vacuum chamber, and radiographic testing. Once the pieces have been fabricated and released by quality control, they undergo a surface preparation process that most of the time is sandblasting. This process provides the necessary anchoring surface for the paint to adhere, providing added protection and durability. Surface preparation and coating represent a huge part of our manufacturing process. Therefore, we have large and fully equipped sandblast and paint shops where we can conventionally spray paint or powder coat the piece according to what the customer chooses or needs. Our 60-foot-long powder coating oven is the largest area indoor facility of its kind. Our fabrication process ends once the pieces are shipped to their final destination and loads are secured on the truck. If the client requires it, we offer on-site erection crew and equipment. Prometal has highly qualified personnel for mechanical, structural, and pile installation. We own erection equipment that includes rough terrain forklifts, rough terrain cranes from 5 to 60 tons, all-terrain cranes of 150 and 175 tons, generators, compressors, and all supplemental equipment for a full site erection job. Prometal has sustained its growth through over 30 years of providing services to Mexican and global industries. This as a result of its unconditional commitment to quality. Utilizing standards by specialized international organizations such as ASME, API 650, AWS, AWWA, and ISO 9000 standards. Because of the risks involved with construction and general industry, the company has striven to develop a safety department according to the current standards of the Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare, for which we have our safety manual for implementation and monitoring in all jobs. We have been continuously investing time and resources to train our employees, and of course we welcome the resultant no incidences of work accidents. Prometal del Pacífico has striven to be a company with innovative technology to achieve efficiency in its processes through concrete actions, and what is more important, provide quality with prompt, careful, and professional attention to our valued customers.